Hello and welcome to this quick review of the Nokia 5. Nokia made a comeback to the mobile world, or to be precise to the Android world. Last year they introduced models 2, 3, 5, 6 and 8, and we already did a video featuring Nokia 6. And now let's see what's the deal with the Nokia 5. In the box you will find a phone, a charger, a micro USB cable, headphones, the SIM tray tool and booklets. After hearing that familiar sound from the past, let us quickly see the specs. Snapdragon 430, 2 GB of RAM, SD card support, dual SIM support, 3000 mAh battery, a 30-megapixel main camera and an 8-megapixel front shooter. No dual cameras, no thin bezels, but you do get a front-mounted fingerprint scanner that is easy enough to set up. It's not the fastest one out there, but it's okay. Nokia was always known to make sturdy phones that endure wear and tear of everyday long-term use. The front of the phone is covered with 2.5D Gorilla Glass and populated with a fingerprint scanner, a selfie cam and the earpiece. The rest of the phone is made of metal, and that includes the buttons on the right side of the phone. On the top you will find a headphone jack. This phone is inexpensive, but Nokia wasn't cheap and included this feature. On the bottom you will find a single speaker and a micro USB port. On the back, of course, is this inexplicably large camera apparatus. On the left, Nokia 5 features 2 slots, for the dual SIM and for the SD card. Interesting how we have a fingerprint scanner, a headphone jack, dual SIMs and SD card support on a phone that costs 5 times less than the iPhone X, which lacks all of these features. So, Nokia dropped Symbian OS and Windows Phone and finally entered the realm of Android. Android 7.1.1 Nougat to be precise, without any heavy skins or unnecessary bloatware, and that's why this low-spec device runs smooth and almost lag-free. Nokia 5 doesn't have a fancy 18:9 Ultra HD AMOLED curved edge screen like the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, but at this price point, a 5.2-inch 720p IPS LCD is just fine. Also, bottom-firing single speaker is loud enough to enjoy my trendy phone videos on YouTube.
Hello everyone, it's Becca from MTP and welcome back to our channel.
Besides the build quality, Nokia always had solid cameras. I didn't expect much from this phone, but the 30-megapixel camera takes pretty solid photos, at least when there is enough light. And I like the camera app, which packs a fair amount of features like manual controls or the Pro mode, which some expensive dual camera phones don't have. The selfie cam is also decent for the price you pay. And that is the conclusion of this review. For the price you pay, you get a lot, at least enough. Which brings us to the question, do you want to spend $1,000 or euros or pounds and not have a headphone jack, a fingerprint scanner and memory expansion? For 5 times less money, you can have a solid everyday phone. So, if you don't want to break the bank, choose Nokia 5. Tell me what you think about the new Nokia lineup in the comments. See you soon with another video.